In a legal filing with Judge Aileen Cannon this week, prosecutors working for the federal government essentially had to beg her to not allow herself to be manipulated by Donald Trump and his legal team. It was a short filing, just 2 pages, but basically what the federal prosecutors were telling the judge is, Judge, you're being played. Because here's what happened. Donald Trump and his legal team have, of course, been attempting to get a continuation, if you will, or a delay in the trial that Judge Cannon has set for May. And they're arguing to the judge, listen, we've got a big trial in front of Judge Tanya Chut in March, and the prosecution in our case hasn't given us access to the classified documents, so boy, golly gee, we don't have time to get ready for that case and then get ready for this case because we haven't had the evidence. You got to postpone this case, the documents case, till after next year's election. Oh, sorry, that's what you got to do. And Judge Cannon this week said, you're right. I'll think about it and give you a decision later. So Judge Cannon signaled her willingness to go ahead and postpone the trial till after the election because, again, oh boy, Trump's team just has all these things working against him. First of all, Judge Cannon is the one who told Trump's lawyers months ago they had to set up the secure facility for him to be able to view the evidence against him, the classified documents. The lawyers went to court, literally admitted, we haven't had time to do it, or we just haven't done it. So she said, don't worry about it. I'll get rid of all the deadlines I set for you on that. And then she got mad at the prosecution for not, I guess, helping them, even though it wasn't their job. They actually set up a secure facility in D.C. and said, you can come look at them here. So the prosecutors got in trouble for the failures of Trump's legal team. I talked about that at the time. And in this new filing, the prosecutors are telling the judge, listen, they're trying to use the trial in March with Chutkin as an excuse to why they won't be ready for your trial in May. But Judge, you need to pay attention to the fact that earlier this morning, they asked Judge Tanya Chutkin for a delay as well. So if they can't do this one because they're getting ready for that one, but now they're trying to push that one back, you're being manipulated. Like they are trying to play all of these judges against one another to delay all these trials indefinitely, or pretty much in Trump's mind, till after he wins the 2024 election and just pardons himself for everything, then all the cases go away. But the prosecution is onto the game. They see what's happening, they understand the manipulation, and they are begging Judge Cannon, don't allow yourself to make these stupid-ass decisions. The prosecution, of course, does have the option if if Cannon makes these stupid-ass decisions, they can appeal them. They've already appealed other rulings that she had made last year. They won on appeal. So Cannon doesn't have a good track record. And I do think, of course, she is going to try to protect Trump. The appellate courts are not going to be so kind. And if she issues more rulings that benefit Trump and the prosecutors appeal and win on appeal, they would have more grounds to argue that the case should be moved away from Cannon altogether. So she has to tread lightly. I know she doesn't want to, but she has to, or else she is going to give up her authority over the case. The prosecutors have warned her now. Let's wait and see what she does. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel. We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.